Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing a new gadolinium-based contrast agent approval update. On June 12, 2026, the US FDA approved a low-dose magnetic resonance imaging MRI contrast agent, AMBELVIST Gadoquatrane, which is indicated in adult and pediatric patients, including term neonates, for use with MRI to detect and visualize lesions with abnormal vascularity in the central nervous system, brain, spine, and associated tissues, and the body, head and neck, thorax, abdomen, pelvis, and musculoskeletal system. Notably, this new MRI contrast agent provides 60% less gadolinium dosing compared to other gadolinium-based contrast agents. Now, let's dive into this medication in more detail. Gadoquatrane, brand name AMBELVIST. This medication was approved by the US FDA on June 12, 2026, and indicated in adult and pediatric patients, including term neonates, for use with magnetic resonance imaging MRI to detect and visualize lesions with abnormal vascularity in the central nervous system, brain, spine, and associated tissues, as well as the body, head and neck, thorax, abdomen, pelvis, and musculoskeletal system. Chemically, Gadoquatrane is a paramagnetic tetrameric macrocyclic gadolinium-based contrast agent, molecular weight 2,579.1 gram per mole. This medication is available as 0.1 millimole per ml of Gadoquatrane in single-dose vials, single-dose prefilled syringe, imaging bulk package, and pharmacy bulk packages. Recommended dose for adult and pediatric patients, including term neonates, is 0.01 millimole per kg, actual body weight equivalent to an injection volume of 0.1 ml per kg. In addition, this medication carries a US box warning, risk associated with intrathecal use and nephrogenic systemic fibrosis. Mechanistically, this medication works as a gadolinium-based contrast agent, specifically a paramagnetic tetrameric macrocyclic non-ionic complex of gadolinium. When placed in a magnetic field, this agent develops a magnetic moment to alter the relaxation rates of water protons in its vicinity in the body, therefore increases the signal intensity brightness of tissues to enhance the MRI image. Pharmacokinetically, following intravenous injection, Gadoquatrane is distributed from the vascular to extracellular space. The median volume of distribution over body weight of gadolinium at steady state is 0.25 liter per kg. Plasma protein binding is less than 1%. The median effective elimination half-life of gadolinium is 1.6 hours. Metabolism. Gadoquatrane is not metabolized. Excretion. Gadoquatrane is mainly eliminated renally. Approximately 91% of the dose was excreted in the urine within 12 hours following RV injection, and less than 1% of the dose was excreted in feces. Contraindications. History of severe hypersensitivity to AMBELVIST. The most common adverse reactions greater than or equal to 0.2% associated with Gadoquatrane include dizziness, headache, injection site reactions, nausea, vomiting, feeling hot, paresthesia, and pruritus. Here are the key sources which I have used to prepare for today's video. The US FDA New Drug Approval Updates for 2026 is a very valuable resource. In addition, most of the medication information which I share today is based on AMBELVIST prescribing information. This document is available at the US FDA drug website, along with the drug manufacturer websites. Finally, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for future medication video updates. As always, keep learning and elevating. Thank you so much.